Every day a child is born with congenital heart disease, and in fact 1 in 100 babies that are born have congenital heart disease. At this point, we know that approximately 10% of those children are going to have neurodevelopmental problems. The question has always been for us, which 10% is that going to be? We now know that with the tools of genetics, from the discoveries that we've made, we now have a much better tool to identify who those 10% of the children are going to be. And oftentimes it's by using a methodology where we can look at the entirety of their genetic information to now identify that subset. This is incredibly important because having that prognostic information to know who the children are at risk for congenital heart disease, to have neurodevelopmental problems or other health problems, to be able to know who they are and to know what those problems are going to be, allows us to now get ahead of the curve. We can now anticipate and prevent many of those problems if we know who and what we need to take care of. We don't have cures for these genetic defects at this point, so we still have a long way to go, but this is the first very important step for us to now provide much better support for these babies.